Thank you for calling room service. This is Jeros. How may I help you?
I want to have my breakfast.
May I get your name and room number?
I'm Mr. Kenneth from room 337.
Do you have your order, sir?
None.
We have 3 sets of breakfast: Continental, American, and Filipino breakfast. Which one would you like, sir?
Continental.
Continental, you have choices of pineapple juice, orange juice, and mango juice.
Mango juice.
You also have a choice of fresh sliced fruit, mango, melon, or piece of banana.
Banana, please.
For your bread, you also have choices of 2 sliced loaf, piece of croissant, and 2 toast bread.
Slice of loaf, please.
Choices in cooked eggs, sir. We have hard-boiled, sunny side up, well done, scrambled, and omelette.
Scrambles, please.
For your hot beverages, your choices is coffee, tea, chocolate, or milk.
Coffee, please.
How many persons, sir?
1.
Can you repeat your order, sir? Your order is 1 set of continental breakfast consists of mango, banana, slice of loaf, scrambled egg, and coffee. What time would you like me to deliver your order, sir?
8 o'clock a.m.
We deliver your order at 8 a.m. under the name of Mr. Kenneth. Be prepared to pay your bills, sir. Cash or upon checkout?
Upon checkout.
Thank you for ordering in room service. If you have any additional order, just dial 02 for room service. Have a nice evening, sir.